guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me cosplay edition. I'm going to be doing Nezuko Kamado from Demon Slayer. I'm just starting off with sunscreen and chapstick. Because I'm wearing a black wig today, I'm going to just put some mascara on my eyebrows to make it easier. I'm just putting some concealer under my eyebrow just to kind of curve it out. Then I'm going to use concealer as eyeshadow primer. I'm just going to set that concealer with a loose pressed powder. Then I'm going to put highlighter onto my brow bone. I'm starting off with a light taupe shade and I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid as a wash. I'm basically just going to keep using darker and darker shades of brown and just keep building it up, especially in the crease because Nezuko has a really deep set crease, so I kind of want to give the illusion of that. The palette that I'm using is just a BYS palette. I'm gonna do an upward flick of liquid liner. It's just a felt tip liner and I'm gonna angle it upwards and make it a little bit thick. I'm sure you can tell I really need to buy a new liquid liner. I was planning on using false lashes for this look because I usually do when I cosplay Nezuko, but my false lashes were absolutely disgusting and I literally could not use them. So I'm just going to use Benefit's roller lash and I'm just going to kind of pile it on, try and give my lashes a bit of a thicker look. Now I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation and I'm just going to put it all over my face. I'm going to use a cream concealer to cover up my under eye circles and just kind of carve out and clean up the liner flick. blend that out with a beauty blender. Then I'm going to use my same loose pressed powder and just press it into all of my face so that I'm nice and matte. Now I'm going to do a little bit of contour with cream contour, and I'm going to do my forehead, which I usually don't do, but today I'm wearing a wig that's exposing it, so I'm going to try to contour that one. I'm going to do a little bit of baking on the sides of my nose while I apply my blush. And I'm using a nice rosy shade and kind of just like putting it where I put the bronzer and the contour. Then I'm going to apply blush to the tip of the nose as well. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in the color French Vanilla, and I'm putting it on my cheekbones, nose, bridge of the nose. I did my lower lash liner off camera, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Then I popped on a bit of a rosy shade where I had put the liner, and that's the pink shade from Kylie Cosmetics palette. I'm going to put that same highlighter into the inner corner and right under my tear duct, and then pop a little line underneath that for a bit of depth. I'm also going to extend my inner corner with liner. I'm going to put some lower lash mascara, but only really where I put the pink eyeshadow. Then I'm going to use my favorite lipstick shade in the world. It's by Chichi and it's called Downtown Gurl, and on top of that I'm going to use my Nivea Shine chapstick. This is the final look. Next I'm going to choose which wig cap to wear. Because I'm wearing a black wig, I'm going to put on a black wig cap. I'm going to put my hair into a bun at the nape of my neck and just pin it down so it's nice and flat, and then just pop my wig cap on and just tuck my hair into it. Around now is kind of when I start looking a little bold. It's always kind of weird to see. I don't think I'd make a cute bold person. Now I'm getting into my cosplay. This cosplay has a lot of like components. It's got the kimono, the waist thing, and then the other waist thing. It's got the little the thread, and I've also got the leg warmers that have the little pink ribbons attached to it, and the overlaying black kimono. Of course, now it's time for the wig. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. It's so long, and I'm just trying to make sure that the hairline is in the right place. Nezuko wears a little pink bow in her hair, so I'm just going to pop that one in, and the wig is on. This wig is literally so bouncy and literally so long, like it's so hard to get used to. Now it's time for the bamboo muzzle, and that's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial was at least somewhat helpful, or just you enjoyed watching that. Thanks so much, guys.